It's KoasterKarl, K-A-R-L. Ride the waves, scream and yell. It's KoasterKarl, K-A-R-L. Join the fun, let's all tell.
Hi, took a viewer here at Disney World the second day, and Shauna's getting it by.
Actually, this is our third day.
Yeah, the Bobby is our first day.
What are we doing today? What are we going to go do?
We're gonna go have breakfast with Leo and Stitch. Go to the Ohana shop.
Breakfast with Lilo and Stitch.
And all of that, then we're gonna come back to the hotel and eat some lunch. And then we're probably going to play the pool.
Wow, sounds like a great day.
Yeah.
Are you ready to get our day started?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go have fun.
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Flying by on the Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
Entertainment. Won't want to miss the Ohana Aloha.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Yes.
Oh,
Oh. There you go. Ready?
yeah.
All right.
Wow!
Uh-oh. That's okay. You did it.
Really? Yeah!
Oh.
adventures are wild, come ride with him. Get your popcorn ready, buckle up tight. Every upload's a journey, every ride a flight.